Welcome everyone. Today we will show you a unique feature, by which you can connect unlimited WhatsApp numbers in a single sub-account, and this is going to be very beneficial for you and for your team members. In a standard scenario, you are using one WhatsApp number in a single sub-account as of now, but now we have launched an advanced feature where you can connect unlimited WhatsApp numbers in a single location. Let's say you may create a number of users like user 1, user 2, user 3, and each user can connect their own WhatsApp number, and every user can send and receive messages using their own separate number. So here every user will be able to send and receive messages using their WhatsApp number separately. So in the same way, if you have multiple users who would like to communicate using their own WhatsApp numbers, then they can do that easily. Here users can't see each other's messages. They will be able to see only their own messages, and as an admin you can see all the messages and conversations of the users. This is how it will work. The next we have a team feature. Let's say if you are having a team like a sales team, support team. For example, if you are having a sales team with 3 members and all 3 members would like to communicate with the same WhatsApp number, then they can make contact with a single number. So sales 1, sales 2, sales 3 all can log in with their own ID, and they are going to see the data of their assigned customers only, and all 3 can communicate using the same number. So this is very high-tech feature where you can use the same number in communicating with your customers for the every individual team. Here, you can use a separate number for the sales team no matter how many members you have within this team. 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way you will be having different separate number for the support team as well. Here you may have as many members or unlimited members as you want within this team who would communicate with a other separate number. And also here, if you want to add a user in the same sub-account with a separate number, then you can do that easily, and as an admin you will be able to see and monitor all the communication. What they are doing, how they are responding to the customers, whether they are responding to or not. So this is very advanced and useful feature, and we are happy to provide you this. Now let us see how you can implement the multi-user feature in a single sub-account. You can have multiple WhatsApp numbers for each and every user, and they can receive the messages using their own separate WhatsApp numbers. Here you need to create your multiple users within single sub-account, and for that you need to go to settings. Then go to my staff. As you can see, I am having 2 users here, and if you don't have users you need to create users. While creating the users you need to ensure about the user permissions. The user should able to see only his assigned data. So that user should not get confused by seeing the another customer's messages. Please note that you need to enable only assigned data permissions for him, so that the messages coming to his number he can able to see those messages only. Please don't forget to make these changes and click on save. Otherwise he may receive the messages from the other customers in his GHL conversation tab. And if you are already having users here, so you need to enable for all the users and then click on save option here in the bottom. Because I have already saved that, so I just click on cancel. You can see we have 2 users here, and as per our new feature every user can connect his WhatsApp from his own phone number. Switching back to your location. Don't get confused by seeing this error, because multi-user will work only under the user for which you have enabled this multi-user feature. The locations for which you have enabled this feature, it work with these. So for me, I have enabled this feature for user 1 and user 2, and in order to test it out, I need to log in as user 1. Once I log in as user 1 and click on WhatsApp multi-user icon. Now here you will see a WhatsApp QR code. You need to scan this QR code twice, normally same as like you do for an ordinary single user account. Now let me just scan this QR code for my user 1. Once it gets connected, after it showing you as connected, try to send message to the connected from any other number, and you can check this in conversation tab, or you may create a contact here and send message to that contact. You can check that this message should go from the connected WhatsApp number of user 1, which you have connected to user 1. And same way you should be getting incoming messages as well. Now after switching to user 2, you can connect that number to the QR code. Then check sending of messages to any dummy contact, and also check incoming by sending messages from external phone to the connected number of user 2. So this is how you can add multi-users in a single sub-account, and also please ensure that if the contact is already there and the contact is assigned to any other user. So in that case this user may not show the conversation here. For that, contact should be assigned to that user, and you can do that in the admin panel. And you can go to contacts here. You should assign that contact to either of the user. By default this contact is unassigned, and let's say I want to assign to this contact to any of my user 1 or user 2. Simply if you want to see his messages under user 1 or user 2, then you need to assign it under that particular user. Once assigned, the messages will start showing to user 1 or user 2 to whom you assign that contact, and he will be able to send messages from his WhatsApp number. So you should do that and assign to users carefully. In this way you can add multi-users in single sub